Bienvenido Lorenzo Reyes, born July 6, 1947, is a Filipino lawyer who served as an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. He left the Court of Appeals on August 23, 2011 to assume his seat on the Supreme Court. Reyes administered the oath of his fraternity brother, Rodrigo Duterte, as the 16th President of the Philippines on his inauguration rites held at Malacagang Palace on June 30, 2016. After finishing his pre-law at the University of Santo Tomas, Reyes took up his law degree at the San Beda College of Law, where he, together with now fellow Supreme Court Justice Jose C. Mendoza, established the law fraternity Lex Talionis Fraternitas. After obtaining a grade of 81.6% in the 1971 bar exams, Reyes worked as Vice President for Legal and Corporate Affairs of our C. Silverio Group of companies from 1975 to 1981. He then founded a Makati-based law firm, Reyes Dawe Limit Bernardo Lindo and Rosales, in 1982. He acted as chairman, director, president, and/or corporate secretary of various private corporations. The board secretary of National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation and chairman of the board of Celebrity Sports Plaza. In July 1990, he became presiding judge of the Regional Trial Court of Malabon and was appointed Associate Justice in the Court of Appeals on August 8, 2000. On August 16, 2011, President Benigno Aquino III appointed him as a magistrate of the Supreme Court. Personal life, Reyes was born at Katangalan, Obando, Bulacan. He is married to philanthropist Teresita Jacinta Reyes, archivist at Asian Development Bank, with their two children, Dennis Reyes, and environmentalist and businessman Benson Michael Reyes. Reyes was elected as United Coconut Planters Life Assurance Corporation chairman on April 26, 2019. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.